This is Dona Nobis Pacem, the cello part, and this is an arrangement by McGinty. I'm going to be pretty much following the fingerings that are in this part, and I will be playing the top part when it splits into two. This key is what's tricky, okay? G sharps. That usually catches us by surprise, but here we have it right in the beginning. Here we go. 2 and 3 and 2, 3, 1, 1. And several measures rest. Here's 13. 1, 2, 3, 1. Hold, 2, extension. And 3, 2. Now I'm going to go into position for this long A. 1, 2, and back to first. 2, 3, and then again several measures rest. So here we go. Measure 29. 1. Did you get the G sharp? 2 and 3. 1, 2. G sharp. 46. G sharp is gone now. Here's a C sharp. 2 and 3. C sharp. 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. And watch for the last note.